Hi, let us add these two polynomials. But before that, let us understand what is polynomial. A polynomial is a mathematical expression that consists of variables, and these variables are also called as indeterminates, right? Polynomial is also consist of coefficients and exponents, right? And all these variables, coefficients and exponents, they are combined using addition, subtraction and multiplication. Okay? General form of a polynomial is something like this, right? And here we have x as variable, and this is the general form. A n x to the power n plus a n minus 1 x to the power n minus 1 and so on. And the last two terms will be a1 x to the power 1 plus a0 x to the power 0. Because x to the power 1 is x only and x to the power 0 is 1. So we do not write x to the power 0 here, right? So let us see all these terms. Here an minus 1, a1, a0, all these are constants and they are called as coefficients. As you can see here, coefficients, right? X, what you see here, this x is variable, right? Here on the top you see powers n minus 1 and so on. N is 1 here and n is 0 here. So n is a non-negative integer and this is called as degree of the term, okay? And the highest power of x in the polynomial is the degree of polynomial. Few examples are, in this case 3x square plus 2x plus 5, the highest degree of polynomial is 2. You see the power, x to the power 2. So this polynomial has a degree of 2, okay? In this example, 7x to the power 4 minus x cube plus 2, here x is having highest power 4, right? So this is a polynomial of degree 4, right? And in this example, 5 is a constant, it has no x, it has no variable. So this is a polynomial of degree 0 because it has no x, or x to the power 0 is equal to 1, right? And when a constant 5 is multiplied by x to the power 0, its value is 5 only, because x to the power 0 is 1, and when 5 is multiplied by 1, its value will not change, it will be 5 only. So here you can see x to the power 0. So this polynomial 5 has a degree of 0. Okay? Hope you understand polynomials concept. Let us add these two polynomials now. So before adding the polynomials, you see here we have 4x square minus 3x plus 7 plus x cube minus 2x to the power 4. And in this polynomial we have minus 5x cube plus 2x to the power 4 plus 6x minus 3. So before performing addition, let us arrange these polynomials in standard form. And standard form of polynomial is where terms are arranged in decreasing powers of x. That means highest power of x will come first and gradually lower powers of x will follow. Here you can see minus 2x to the power 4. It has highest power of x, that is 4. So this term will come first. So first we have minus 2x to the power 4. Then I will see lower power of x. So 3. Here power of x is 3 and it has plus sign. So we will have plus x cube. After that I see here x square. It has a plus sign, so I will write 4x square, and then we have minus 3x, and at last we have 7. So this is how we arrange polynomial in standard form, right? And same for the second polynomial as well. I see here x has the highest power, plus 2x4. So I will write 2x to the power 4 first, then we have minus 5x cube, then plus 6x and minus 3. Okay, so these two polynomials are written in the standard form. Now we need to align like terms, right? And we need to write polynomial one below other, aligning the like terms with the same power of x. Say for example, we have to add it. So this is going to be first polynomial and this is going to be second polynomial, and I will write a plus sign here. So for the first polynomial, I will write it as it is, minus 2x to the power 4 plus x cube plus 4x square minus 3x plus 7, right? Here we have x to the power 4. So I will write this term below x to the power 4, this term. So here we have 2x to the power 4, right? And then we have x to the power 3. Here we have x to the power 3 minus 5x cube. Below this I will write minus 5x cube. After that we have x square. Here we do not have x square. So what I am going to write? Plus 0x square. 0 multiplied by anything is 0, right? So anyways, it is not going to change its value. Okay. Now we have only x and we have 6x here plus 6x and after that minus 3. So this is how we write polynomials one below other. So we need to align like terms and write one below the other. And as we have to add, I will add a plus sign. After that, we need to add the like terms, right? And how we do it? We need to add the coefficients of the like terms. These two are like terms, right? Because minus 2x to the power 4 and 2x to the power 4 both have variable having same power, right? X to the power 4. So we need to add their coefficients, right? In minus 2x to the power 4, coefficient is minus 2 and 2x to the power 4, coefficient is 2. So we need to add minus 2 and plus 2, which is going to be, I will write it here. So I am going to add only coefficients of the like terms. So here minus 2 plus 2, this is what? 0. This will cancel each other, right? Minus 2 and plus 2 will cancel each other, and what we have is 0, right? And plus x to the power 3 minus 5x to the power 3. So we are adding only coefficients. There is nothing with x, it means it has 1. 1 multiplied by anything is that number itself, right? Or that particular term itself. X to the power 3, we have 1. Here we have minus 5 at bottom. 1 minus 5 is minus 4. So here we have minus 4 x to the power 3 or x cube, right? And now here we have 4 plus 0. This is 4, right? So I will write plus 4x square, right? And then we have minus 3 plus 6. And this is nothing but 3 plus 3. So this is going to be plus 3x. And this is pretty simple. Plus 7 minus 3 is plus 4, right? So this is the answer. Minus 4x cube plus 4x square plus 3x plus 4. And this is what we get after adding these two polynomials, right? Okay, let us see what we have done. To add these polynomials, so first what we did, we arranged the polynomials in standard form. Arranged in standard form, right? After that, align like terms, right? And after that, we added the like terms. And after that, we write the resulting polynomial. Okay, so when we added this polynomial and this polynomial, what we get is minus 4x cube plus 4x square plus 3x plus 4. So this is the answer. Hope you got this concept. In my next video, I will bring more such examples. More examples where we are adding or subtracting or even multiplying two or more than two polynomials, right? Thank you for watching.